So yesterday I already spent time with Dexter in the camp, and every time when it is rainy and wet and cold outside, he's super active. So we played hide and seek, and look what happened. He just got me with one of his claws. I don't know if you guys can see it. It didn't hurt at all, and he didn't do it on purpose at all, but obviously this is what can happen, you know. And one more time, this is the proof that lions are not just big fluffy cats. What's up, my wet boy? You so wet. Look at all that hair. You got a nice hairstyle when you're so wet. Looks like you have some gel in it. Hello, my beauties. Yeah. What's up? So everybody's super happy to see each other. I actually wanted to introduce them already a long time ago. Well, long time, a few days ago, but I didn't because it was so rainy. You're such a giant now. You remember when you arrived here, my boy? I can remember every single day. He's always gonna stay my little boy, no matter how big and heavy he gets. Just gonna sit down and just chill with him. Leave the camera. Leave the camera. Just leave it. You can't take the camera, my man. As soon as I try to place the camera down and just chill with him, he wants to go for the camera. He's too curious. Yo, bro. You way too heavy. You almost broke my leg. You like to get your chin scratched, don't you? This one right over here. Well, obviously he got a little bit of fat belly, so he's full, and like everybody, when you're full you feel lazy. Yeah, and this is basically what it means chilling with one another. We don't do more than this. What? What did you see? What did you hear? And there he goes for the camera. You're a little bit playful today, bro. Aren't you? What's up? My girls and boys. Hello. Hello, Nyla. Are you so dirty and wet? Huh? Oh, my girl, my favorite girl. Yo, my girl. And my boy's coming too. Oh, that was a warm welcome. A very muddy one, but a warm welcome, right? This is how you're gonna look like if you get welcomed by your lion pride. Did you miss me? Daddy missed you too. Oh, she's becoming a big girl, right? Look at this. I mean, I can remember when you were a little princess and now you're becoming a queen. Kids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see what's next, then make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. And if you want to see more content, you're so welcome to follow my other socials as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys later.